What if I told you by 2030, most of the jobs that you're aware of will not exist anymore? Hi, I'm Shams Jaber, the founder and CEO of the Tech Academy.
The Tech Academy is not just another education center. Here, we're raising young changemakers of tomorrow because the world is changing faster than ever.
While traditional schools prepare kids for jobs that may not exist tomorrow, we prepare them to create the jobs of tomorrow. We are building tech entrepreneurs, problem solvers, and innovators who won't just adapt to change, but they will lead it.
Here's what makes us different. We have two powerful wings. The Tech Academy has an education lab where children learn the skills they require to be future change makers and problem solvers. And in the education lab, they use those skills to solve real-world problems. From the largest robotics competition to building VR apps, from working with schools to teaching entrepreneurship to kids, and to going to the distant remote areas to teach robotics and coding, the Tech Academy connects children to the real world.
AI is transforming everything. By 2035, most jobs your children will hold, they don't exist yet. But the demand for creative problem solvers and innovators will never disappear.
And that's why we are here, to give kids the courage, skills, and creativity to lead the future.
The Tech Academy isn't just a school, it's a launch pad. We don't just teach skills to children, we empower them to choose their own mission and make a meaningful impact. At the Tech Academy, students don't just see the future, they create it.